My name is Lebone Molebatsi and I'm 11 years old. I love singing because it entertains me and I just love it. And I want to entertain other people. And I'm gonna sing a song called Tattoo by Jordan Specs. No matter what you say about love, I keep coming back for more. Keep my hand in the fire, sooner or later I get what I'm asking for. No matter what you say about life, I learn every time I bleed that the truth is a stranger, soul is in danger. I gotta let my spirit free to admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. Sorry, but I have to move on and leave you behind. I can't waste time, so I give it a moment. I realize nothing's broken. Need to worry about everything I've done. Like, live every second like it was honest. And don't look back at a new direction. I love you once, needed protection. You're still a part of everything I do. You are my heart, just so like a tattoo. Just so like a tattoo. I'll always have you. I'll always have you. I'll always have you.